Is this the ultimate 2-in-1 laptop for everyday creators? Let's dive into the Chuwi FreeBook 13.5-inch and see if it lives up to the hype. If you're searching for a versatile, high-performing laptop that shifts effortlessly between work and play, your quest might be over. Today, we're diving into the Chuwi FreeBook 13.5-inch. And believe me, it has plenty to offer. Let's get right into the unboxing and find out what this device has in store. When you open the box, you'll find the usual items: a 24-watt DC power adapter, some documentation, including warranty info and a setup guide, and of course, the star of the show, the FreeBook itself. The packaging is impressive, and as soon as you lift it, the premium quality is strikingly apparent. Let's talk about the ports. On the right side, you'll find two TypeC ports along with the power button, while the left side offers a headphone jack and an additional Type-C port. It may not have an overwhelming number of ports, but it has precisely what you need. Here comes the exciting part, the 360-degree hinge. Yes, this laptop can rotate all the way around, converting into a tablet or standing up in tent mode. Ideal for binge-watching your favorite shows, sketching, or making video calls. Its remarkable flexibility makes it an ideal choice for anyone looking for a stylish hybrid between a laptop and a tablet. Speaking of the screen, let's talk about the 13.5-inch 2K display. This thing looks amazing, boasting a resolution of 2256 by 1504. Which delivers vibrant, sharp visuals that are perfect for watching movies, editing images, or casual browsing. The 3:2 aspect ratio provides extra vertical space, reducing the need for scrolling and allowing for more content on the screen. Whether you're managing spreadsheets or reading articles, it truly enhances productivity. And with 100% sRGB coverage, the colors are vivid and lifelike, making it suitable for both creators and everyday users. Inside, the FreeBook runs on an Intel Alder Lake N100 processor, which is quad-core with a base clock of 1.1 GHz and a turbo boost of 2.8 GHz. While it may not be the most powerful processor, it handles multitasking, casual gaming, web browsing, and routine tasks well. Whether you're juggling multiple applications or browsing through tabs, the FreeBook operates smoothly. It comes equipped with Windows 11, paired with 12 GB of DDR5 RAM and 512 GB of SSD storage, enabling efficient management of more demanding tasks. Plus, it offers storage expansion options, ensuring you have sufficient space for your files, media, and projects. Next, let's discuss the design and build quality. Weighing only 1.34 kilograms and measuring just 8 millimeters at its thinnest point, this laptop is both lightweight and portable. Its unibody aluminum construction provides a premium feel, and surprisingly, it's quite sturdy given its lightweight design. It's definitely the kind of laptop you can easily take with you without worrying about damage. Don't overlook the Type-C port. It's multifunctional, allowing you to charge, transfer files, and output video all at once. For those who spend lots of time typing, the full-sized keyboard is a delight to use. It features a 3mm ultra-narrow bezel around the keys, allowing for comfortable and accurate typing. The spacious keys are enhanced by a backlight, making it easy to work even in low-light conditions. Its simplicity truly supports high performance. If you enjoy sketching or taking notes, this device offers a smooth and responsive experience, whether you're jotting down thoughts or creating digital artworks. It's an excellent companion for keeping your creative juices flowing without interruptions. Regarding battery life, the FreeBook houses a 38 watt-hour battery that can last between 6 to 8 hours, depending on how you use it. Whether you're working, streaming videos, or browsing the internet, it should last through your day. And if the battery runs low, it supports PD fast charging, so you can quickly get back to your tasks. So, is the Chuwi FreeBook 13.5 worth what it costs? If you need a lightweight, multifunctional 2-in-1 laptop that smoothly transitions between a laptop and a tablet, then definitely. The combination of its 2K touchscreen, Intel Alder Lake N100, and 360-degree hinge makes it a fantastic choice for students, creators, or anyone seeking a stylish device that balances work and play. That's all for today's review. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech insights. Have you had a chance to try the Chuwi FreeBook? I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.